Boost your online presence with AppCode technologies. As businesses move online, having a well-designed and functional website has become a necessity. A website serves as your business's digital storefront, providing potential customers with valuable information and making it easy for them to connect with your brand. However, not all websites are created equal. A poorly designed website can actually do more harm than good, turning away potential customers and damaging your brand's reputation. That's why it's important to work with a professional web development company like AppCode Technologies to create a website that meets your business's unique needs and goals. So, why is it important for businesses to work with a professional web development company? Well, there are a few reasons. First, a professional web development company has the expertise and experience needed to create a website that not only looks great, but functions smoothly and efficiently. This can help improve user experience and increase conversions. Second, a professional web development company can help ensure that your website is fully optimized for search engines. This can help your business appear higher in search results, making it easier for potential customers to find you online. And finally, a professional web development company can provide ongoing support and maintenance to keep your website running smoothly and up to date. At AppCode Technologies, our team of experienced developers uses the latest technologies and tools to create custom websites that meet our clients' unique needs. Our client, working with AppCode Technologies, was a game changer for our business. They helped us create a website that not only looks great, but is also fully optimized for search engines and user-friendly. Our website has become a valuable asset to our business, helping us attract new customers and grow our brand. AppCode Technologies, the best web development service provider for your business. If you're looking for the best web development service provider for your business, look no further than AppCode Technologies. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help take your online presence to the next level. Visit www.appcodeindia.com or call us at +91 96 504 80888.